Hello, friends. It's Wednesday, March 22nd, and I'm not really sure how the AI did it or what it saw, but GameStop, as we can see, had a big gap up and gave a lot of that gap up back. But something about this 2342 level, our AI decided that it was a good idea to take an entry long at this level. And as we look at it here in hindsight, looks to have been a pretty solid level for entry. So this is something only Trade Ideas offers. You don't have to configure it. It's in real time. It just gives you ideas for possible entries. You're best off to manage the trade on your own once you're in it. But again, for newer traders who are looking for ideas in real time, generated ideas, this is the way to go. It's not going to get you in trouble. It's going to find you some interesting setups. Are they all going to work? No, but you have to learn how to manage risk. And in this case, GameStop was a wonderful entry called by our AI here at 2342. Only at Trade Ideas. Have a good day.